Okay, here's a couple examples of algebra when you see subtraction in the question. So the easier kind we might see is where we have our variable first, so k minus 4 equals 5. This is pretty straightforward to solve. We're trying to isolate for k. We want to get that -4, or -4 rather, onto the other side. So k is by itself. Opposite of -4 is +4. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side of the equal sign. The -4 and the +4 cancel out. K equals 5 plus 4, or k equals 9. If you look back, it makes sense that 9 up here minus 4 equals 5. It can be a little more challenging. There's just a couple additional steps if you have a question where the variable is the second part of the step. So for example, if we had 15 minus k equals 10. It's not like before we could just kind of move that other number onto the other side of the equation and we can say, okay, k equals. This time, 15 minus k, we can't switch those around. So like before we could do, we did something like 5 plus k. Yeah, it's the same as k plus 5. We looked at like 1 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 1. But I think you'd agree with me that 3 minus 1 is not the same as 1 minus 3. This one obviously equals 2, and that equals -2. They're different. So we can't switch them like we did previously. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm still going to get the k by itself on one side, but I'm probably going to end up getting it by itself on that side, which is fine. Doesn't matter. It's still going to say k equals something. So we have minus k. So the opposite to minus k is plus k. And just like before, what I do to this side, the equal sign, I have to do this side. So I have to plus k on this side as well. Minus k and plus k cancel each other out. So now I have 15 equals 10 plus k. A plus. These we can switch around, and that's handy for us. So let's say 10 plus k is the same as k plus 10. K plus 10, just rewriting it, because now it becomes easy again. We have a plus 10 here. We just want to get that to the other side. So the opposite, the way to do that is we can just go minus 10 from this side, minus 10 from that side. These cancel out. 15 minus 10 equals k. 15 minus 10 is 5 equals k.